I can handle a little John. No.
Little John. Little John.
I can handle a little water on my ass if it makes my video good. John, you faggot! I hate you. Asshole.
Yeah, she got it all.
Come on.
She got it all. Come down. Come on.
Fuck, I gotta pee.
Let's go to the hills. Let's go see the hills high live.
Yeah.
No, go high live.
Oh, you want them?
Probably jumping, okay?
Jumping. Ryan.
No, Ryan. It's not worth it.
Your life is good.
I'm sure you can go out there.
Watch me in Wolfman. Aim it so it, but yeah, I'm gonna go up this thing and direct it so it looks like I'm actually like climbing up a wall. So it means you have to like go this way.